In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit this section called About Device. Then hit device name and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, hit save in the pop-up, and as you can see, after a few seconds, name of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!